This is my EDC everyday carry handyman bag. It's some Packout Cobras, like 9 or 11 inch DeWalt side cutters. This is Wiss Crescent. These are super sharp, very handy. I think they're crescents. They are straight cutters. I've cut a ton of shingles with these things, and they're still super sharp. Large vice grips, larger scissors, Purdy foldable scraper, a pick set, pointed, hooked, angled, magnetic pickup tool. These are flat or flush side cutters, smaller size, pretty handy for zip ties, cutting them flush. Packout's plier wrench, very handy for disconnecting refrigerators and water fittings and small stuff. Lennox folding saw, it's like a jam saw. I can't open it one-handed. Wire strippers with the crimpers. Hex driver. This is an old Mac version. It's got a little thing on the handle, but I don't use it. Needle nose. These are Crescent. Got them from Home Depot. Electrical tape just lives in there. This is a small multi-screwdriver Klein. This is a heavier 11-in-1 Klein. Haven't used this yet. 5/16, use it all the time. 1/4 inch, occasionally. Aim and flame, comes in handy for torches and barbecues. Super duper skinny needle nose. There's some other stuff in here too, flat, but razor uses this a lot for caulking jobs. This is stuck, whatever it is. It's like a bull nose, pliers, nippers, good for removing nails and things. I don't use those a whole lot. These are hemostats, pick up small things, hold small things. Teflon tape. This is an angle finder, digital, don't use that much. Let's see here. A couple loose razor blades down there. We got Milwaukee. Pretty handy having these little indicators on the bottom. Phillips. This is a Milwaukee demo bar. I use that quite a bit. Flathead. M12 Surge. Use that all the time. Quiet, powerful, awesome. Milwaukee Square. Handy. I use it a lot. It's not perfectly square. Need to get something different. Magnetic stud finder. Clips on right there. DeWalt claw hammer. It's like the 20 or the 6 to 16. Love this hammer. This is a pretty good one. Nice rubber grip. It's smaller, lighter. Hex bits set Milwaukee. This is custom. Pretty much any bit you need in here. Longer extensions or bits. This is the drill bit set with the hex shafts. This Milwaukee USB light. Pretty handy. Use this level a lot. It's a 12-inch Empire. There is a magnetizer in here. Use that occasionally. Milwaukee flip knife. I usually keep 3 or 4 on here. Seem to always lose them. Coat hanger for cleaning out traps and things. Wipes. Use that a lot. Extra gloves. Circuit tester. Extra stud buddy. In here I got trash bag and zip ties and pencil lead. Sometimes those trash bags are handy if you're doing caulk or something in a house and you need somewhere to put garbage. Rubber gloves, notepad, band-aids. Chalk pencil for marking steel, pencil, a Sharpie, X extension, Sharpie, square drive, long, Milwaukee tape, 25 footer, it's pretty handy. Hex drivers, some bits on that one, these little keychain bits, hex, square, flip magnet, small drill bit for clearance holes, pencil sharpener. These are pretty handy. Those little nail sets, spring-loaded nail sets, chisel, and a center punch. And that's about it. Oh, super duper long extension here, 12-incher. And oh, and I keep a rubber mallet in there as well. It's living around here somewhere. Harbor Freight rubber mallet. There you go, Milwaukee bag. Pretty handy. I like it. Easy access. I'm always worried about things falling out, but so far, so good. It's a little heavy. It's actually really heavy, but gotta have the tools. Thanks for watching.